How to delete location on Ring app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of settings. Now here you're going to find your location. Then you'll see the option of delete location over here. Click on that. Are you sure you want to delete this location? Once deleted, this location cannot be recovered. Click on delete location. With that, you have just deleted your location. Remember that all the devices needs to be removed from this particular location or reassigned to another location before you can delete the location. Now you won't be able to find the location as you have just deleted it. Please note you cannot delete your location if it is subscribed to your Ring Protect Plus account. If you want to add a new location, you can simply tap over here, click on add location option and do that. Well, this is how you can disable location on Ring app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.